Puyan Sanamusungo, actually, we are all living in a happy, desperate world. Happy, Haipanos desperate world, Santavo, live Kaitamo, senior the situation. Sungzotona Saimano, Zezaga Satation, Satini Tolana Sampli Boto. Abhani Sini society behind a bus country cushion, night talk, tongue talk, Pia Bishimonke Bukurum Zaza. So every day, if we open newspaper, so newspaper from ID, ever some TV channel clothing ID, social media was some browse can ID, some tamano crime. Agi roga asset mo high crime some asset media. Some tabok especially recently tamano some rape case no go, burui, rompazamani no go, burui shirai rock, assault kajaman no go. Crime against women and children are increasing day by day. Haipano omok ni digest omoni chiri kaisa for a bad point ketamo semua hai nukmang kramang sin society bono digest kainya ni sangri rekha digest kaisa short for incident sauna jadi ani bisromon jog ani kami phasing ni pura yesori lam mongan mi about like 25 or 30 years ago ni ko apro mobile lokri ko internet keriko, soalnya bazaran otamunka, kaisa photo studio, serai sikun sano, azaga bono assault kainai betar kimika. Enka assault kainai ze cover kenawai nai pura para amcai, jodohan kelija. Piaba tabuk ni dino sentamuno, senteli newspaper kalau karena out of 30 days, 20 days or 15 days sesungguhnya kuzen wai kami incident, deli ni party itu. Piab seng aporongno motamoti hanya mokol sibisang kalau birawo bil bapak itu kan, enggak omorok marken caya, hai ze party mung ni ze seng pono ze piokna ni bagi sak no actually community awareness marken dorkar, jeun NGO eba para rong ni chodri mohke borok pura awareness program organize kanyen dorkar, enggak all the crime jemi tamani bo crime and drugs are very related. Jemon tabok je reality jemon tabok semuli bazar agot la gano kaisa NGO tongo borok free of cost jara drugs anai rokno borok syringe bag jeno especially syringe theke borok age sumba je borok same syringe same injection borok share khai a jaga blood transmission ni a jaga age rokno ambai a je NGO borok tam khai borok mote syringe rok borok free of cost bago enggak free of cost bak mani azaga nuksaka Agartala sohor ni joto nami dami borok ni beri besar pangdeng selama tahun kepan part keri je borok ni bumung kena kangke seng wan sugi ni je mo ni besar boda mo hai ke drugs rok na abo hojo bunga upas saja maya mana omo hai mana sini je tabung ni je situation marken bad pasing tang itu enggak mo nasirinya jibi hospital bahai tabuk motamoti drugs borok bago tam kage government bahai initiative borok bahai naka je sepano bono by force drugs ane rokno kundiru mothari niya engke borok no drugs are unyo borok no ma hamar bai engke borok no drugs are u hepeno doso terep ke borok drugs jeno nanu musinya tei aba ke borok no toi bai engke especially government ite ko bna nango engke te kaisa engke sini reporters ro journalist ro bahino sente awareness nangai je bahake of crime to drugs no sengapnani baksa tong channel baksa youtubers bahino sunno je boi drugs samanno kangke boi ma ke bathar jamanno kangke amor tong thok jagi se te kaham te borok phung ai no bai sinama hake a jagarani haite bahino sun jara moto journalist ro tong jara khnai tong ani kok no borok bahino awareness nangai je bahake sun drugs te crime dong sung bono promote khayawai nai kaham khai borok ni bakhano sung aware khanya nangnai nge te kaisa leading to motamo sini administration te sini legal system bahino sung legal system tamno je sotik somoyo mane tik somoyo punishment maya jara crime khainai drugs anai rok abon somi political ni pressure phayo society ni attitude phayo a jaga nge jara crime khainai rok borok tego saing sung phanmanu je ang jesot saya sam khaipano ang kun phainya ang yokoi thani eya bahayani nge tirini o je badminton tournament jemon norok je organize khakia especially with the theme of drugs, anti-drugs awareness, crime against women and children, the road safety, belai kaham initiative, ke kha khayo norok future bo hin mo haitebo kaham norok khaya next year bo hin hambai.